Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello viewers, I am Azzahra Muharmah, and in this video I'm going to be telling you about easy tips and tricks to do your reading task. Sounds interesting, right? So actually, what is a reading task? The reading task measures your ability to read closely, reason logically about text using evidence, and integrate information from multiple sources. And now, how to do a reading task? Here I have some of the tips and tricks to do the reading task. So without any further ado, let's go to the main topic. The first tips and tricks are read the question first before you read the paragraph. Here you can find the keywords from the questions and try to look for them in the passage. If you find the question's keyword in the passage, then you will probably find the answers that you are looking for. The second one is to try to highlight the keywords from every question in the passage. So if you're moving to the next question, you won't need to look after the passage again. You just need to read the sentence where the word is highlighted. The third tips and tricks are to do the scanning method. This method is actually relatable to the previous tips because scanning is reading rapidly in order to find specific facts. When you are scanning, be sure to always underline important specific information and numbers. You do not need to read every word. Look out for information like names, dates, features, statistics, etc. And from the question, identify the keyword and then scan the text for it, and possible synonyms. The next tips and tricks are about skimming. Skimming is reading rapidly in order to get a general overview of the material. Here is an overview. 1. Read the first paragraph attentively to get an idea of what the text is about. 2. Pay attention to the first few sentences of every paragraph. This will give you the main idea of the text. 3. Always read the last paragraph thoroughly as this normally contains the summary. The fifth tips and tricks are to use the process of elimination. In this method, you are needed to eliminate the incorrect answers from the task until you get only one correct answer. It is so much easier to eliminate first and get the one answer that isn't eliminated, and the answer will probably be right. The last tips and tricks are to keep your calm and don't leave any questions unanswered. You have to manage your condition while doing the reading task. Don't panic because it will ruin your focus on the questions and your reading skill. And never leave any questions unanswered. When you know there's no time left, just guess and write something. Why? You won't be penalized for incorrect answers. If you leave the cell in your answer sheet blank, you will get 0 points. For sure. But what if you strike lucky and manage to guess it? You will have at least one more point to pass your reading test. That's why you should guess when out of time. Here I am going to give you examples of how to do these tips and tricks. I have 2 questions right here. The first question is, the 6th century was an age of great blah 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 explanation. The options are A. Cosmic, B. Land, C. Mental, D. Common man, E. None of the above. When we do the reading task, read the questions first. Do the scanning and highlight the keywords. Here we can decide the keyword is 6th century. From the scanning, we have to find the keyword on the passage. And 6th century could only be found in the first sentence and first paragraph. After we found it, then we need to find the hidden word, which is terrestrial. Now, based on the scanning method, we should find the synonyms of the word terrestrial, which means land. And here we do the process of elimination. Based on the option, there is no choice there that offers a synonym for marine, and no other choices match either marine or terrestrial. So the answer is B, land. And for the second question, I will give it to you all to do the task based on the tips and tricks. I hope all of you can type it in the comment sections about your answer. In summary, there are 6 tips and tricks based on my opinion to do your reading task. You might find other tips and tricks, but I hope the one I gave to you could help you to do and pass your reading task. And here I will link the PowerPoint I made about the tips and tricks in the description box. I would like to thank all of you for watching this video, and I am really sorry if I had any mistake explaining about the material. Once again, thanks all for watching my video. I am Azzahra Muharmah. See you in the next occasion. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.